इनकलाब जिंदाबाद दोस्तों और भाइयों। टुडे इज़ द डे फॉर हिस्ट्री एंड पॉलिटी। 70 दिन रह गए हैं तो फटाफट मूव ऑन करते हैं क्वेश्चंस के लिए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर द डे, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग बुक्स आर रिटन बाय श्री महात्मा गांधी जी? A book of prayers, all men are brothers, pathway to God. You have to choose between these options. And one more thing, keep on noting down the important topics. हर साल गांधी जी से सवाल आ रहा है. So these are not only questions, these are also list of topics. Please remember them. Book से सवाल आ रहा है, गांधी जी से सवाल आ रहा है. So you have to answer which of these are written by Gandhi ji according to these options. Right? I'll tell you the answers in the last. Then second question for the day, pause करके देखना हो, पहले वाला pause कर देना. So second question is, when King Devan Priyadarsan had been anointed 20 years, he came himself and worshipped at this spot. The inscription described above can be identified as which among the following? The Maski inscription, the Gujra inscription, the Sahagoda inscription, or the Rumindai pillar inscription. Right? So choose the answers, comment your answers. I have seen many of you are just looking at the videos, not commenting answers and your scores. Please keep on encouraging us. So third question, this is from Polity, again inspired from questions appearing in exams. So which among the following principles enshrined in the preamble primarily aim at providing a decent standard of living to the people? Liberty, secularism, democracy, या socialism? So which of these actually primarily aims at providing a decent standard of living? Right? Comment your answers, please. Then consider the following statements about right to privacy. Again, over and over again, the question is appearing from this. So remember, it's an important topic also. Right? So right to privacy is a basic human right under UDHR, Universal Declaration on Human Rights, UDHR. Right? Then right to privacy is a fundamental right under the Indian Constitution. So कौन सी सही है जी? Which of the above statements are correct? One only, two only, both या none? So choose your answers, pause it if you want to, and comment your scores and answers. Right? So consider the following statements. ये पिछले साल ऐसा सा सवाल आया था payroll and furlough पे. So payroll is given in case of long-term imprisonment. Furlough is given in for short-term imprisonment. Right? So which of the above are correct? One only, two only, both या none? So you have to tell me in the comment section. And now after these 5 questions for the day, I'll explain the answers. Right? And as you know, you can get the PDF on WhatsApp by WhatsApping on this number. This is given in the description as well. Right? So WhatsApp करना अगर PDF चाहिए. These are important topics list as well. So coming to the answers now, let's discuss. So first question में, which of the following books are written by Mahatma Gandhi ji? All these books, A Book of Prayers, All Men Are Brothers, Pathway to God. All these books are written by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Hence the answer becomes Chandigarh, C Chandigarh. That is 1, 2 and 3. All these books are written by Shri Mahatma Gandhi ji. Right? Then next is, when King Devan Priyadarsan had been anointed 20 years. What is the answer? The Rumindai pillar inscription is being talked of. इसके बारे में 2-3 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हमें पता होने चाहिए. इंस्क्रिप्शन की ट्रांसलेशन यहाँ पे मेंशन्ड है. वेयर इट इज सेड दैट इस स्पॉट पे रुमिंदई पिलर इंस्क्रिप्शन बता रहा है कि जब 20 साल अशोका जी के राज को हो गए थे. अशोका इज अनदर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर हिस्ट्री. सो 20 साल जब हुए थे उनको राजा बने हुए. कितने टोटल साल अशोका साहब ने राज किया है जी? अशोका दी ग्रेट ने कितने टोटल ईयर्स राज किया? प्लीज टेल मी इन द कमेंट्स. सो जब 20 साल हुए थे उन्हें राजा बने, देन वो इधर आए थे जहां पे बुद्धा शक्यामुनि जी वॉज बॉर्न. राइट? देन दिस एरिया का दूसरा सवाल इसमें से ये बन जाता है कि यहाँ पे उन्होंने लुम्बिनी विलेज को टैक्स फ्री कर दिया था, and only an 8th share of their produce was taken from them. So for marking the birth of the great Buddha and marking the 20 years of his reign, he came to this point. Right? Next question was this: which among the following principles enshrined aims at providing decent standard of living? Preamble से सवाल आना ही आना है, ध्यान रखना. So answer here is socialism. Socialism aims at this. This was said by the Honorable Supreme Court in this case itself. लॉ वाले याद रखना केस का नाम, बाकियों को जरूरत नहीं है, बट these kind of questions are appearing. केस नेम छोड़ के ये पता होना चाहिए. The court said the basic purpose of socialism is to provide a decent standard of life to the people living in the country and to protect them from the day they are born till the day they die. So this is the aim of socialism primarily. Please remember this, an important question, right? So next and second last question for the day, what was the answer? Consider the following statements about right to privacy. UDHR में basic human right है, correct? Right to privacy is fundamental right, correct? Recent ruling, Puttaswamy judgment, right? So the answer here becomes C, that is both the statements are correct. So UDHR, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, जो UN ने 1948 में अडॉप्ट करी है, so उसके आर्टिकल 12 के अंडर there is a talk about, there is a reference about privacy. See over here, there is a reference about privacy over here, right? And about the constitution we know, article 21, a recent ruling, the judgment, Puttaswamy judgment, has given us the fundamental right of privacy, right? So we should read on this Puttaswamy judgment as well and the interlinkages as well, right? So last answer, payroll is given in case of long-term imprisonment, furlough is given in case of short-term imprisonment. Both these statements are incorrect. The answer is none of the above. Both are incorrect because ulta likha hua hai ji. Let's see here. Payroll means the release of a prisoner either temporarily for a special purpose or completely before expiry of a sentence on the promise of good behavior. Furlough, although of certain subtle similar nature, but is given for long term imprisonment. Long term imprisonment के केस में फरलो होती है. क्वेश्चन में उल्टा लिखा हुआ था, फरलो शॉर्ट टर्म था. फरलो इज फॉर लॉन्ग टर्म. पेरोल इज जनरली फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म रिलीज. एंड शॉर्ट टर्म इम्प्रिजनमेंट में भी पेरोल पे रिलीज कर दिया जाता है. बट फरलो is for long term release, and furlough might after certain time be a right of the prisoner, but payroll is never the right. We should know these things, right? So please remember these things, and please support us by commenting your scores and your answers. Again, thank you so much for watching. एक बार फिर से इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. Thank you.